Got the Air Jordan 4 Military Black inside of this box. But before I show you guys these sneakers, I need to tell you guys about the free Mocha 1 giveaway. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the Air Jordan 1 Mocha. For a bonus entry, you guys can follow me on Instagram at DannyMoore2369 and DM me proof that you did everything. This giveaway ends at the end of the month, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of Mocha 1s. Good luck. And don't worry, the winner will receive a brand new pair, not my one pair. Smash that like button. Let's get this video up to 1,000 likes. We got them, man. We got them in hand early. One of my subscribers sent me this early. He did not want to be mentioned, so shout out to you, brother. Thank you so much for sending these early for me to check them out here on YouTube. Size 11. This pair is straight fire. We got the Military Black Air Jordan 4. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, this sneaker is going to be a problem. Retail is $200. They release on May 21st. This sneaker is going to sell out and have resale value. This sneaker is straight fire. The Air Jordan 4 Military Black. The box is very nice. You have a switch up of the Jordan 4 box, speckles with the flight, as well as the red Jumpman. I really like that box. I like when Jordan Brand switches up the box. That's awesome. Now here is the Air Jordan 4 Military Black. And I'm going to tell you guys right now, these are going to be a problem. May 21st, $200 retail price. These are going to go for around probably $300. Maybe even a little more the entire time. I don't see them really dipping down in price too much. This is a very wearable Air Jordan 4, and the wearable sneakers like this, the wearable Jordans like this, are doing really well. The white Oreo Air Jordan 4 never really went less than like $280. They're now almost $500. The Military Black, guys, is gonna do well. This sneaker is gonna have some resale value. Like I said, I think it'll remain around $300 potentially, and then going up from that point forward, once again to $350, maybe even $400. This is a very wearable Air Jordan 4. This is the Military Black. We all know and want the Military Blue Jordan 4s, but Jordan Brand is playing with us. They give us the Military Black with a white Jumpman on the back. When we do get the Military 4s, we know they're gonna have Nike Air on the back, and I cannot wait. Now, quality on these is fire, to be honest with you, especially compared back from 2012. The last Military 4 release that we saw was garbage, straight garbage materials. However, these, the Military Black, man, very nice, very tumbled. You guys will see it in the B-roll. Very soft leather. Nice nubuck suede around the toe. The leather on the back is soft. It is a little bit tumbled throughout, and just very, very soft, man. Very, very nice quality on the Military Black. I think you guys are going to be very happy with this sneaker. Now, as far as paint, I'm not seeing too many mess-ups, anything like that. Not too much inconsistencies, so that's a good thing. I think pairs will be good for the most part on the paint. Quality's there, the colorway's there, they're wearable. This is a dope fire Air Jordan 4 that we've never seen this colorway before. They took an OG classic, the Military, and took the blue and just put black. Wherever you see black, there's blue on the Military, and yeah, man, it's a dope Air Jordan 4. They did these right, and come release date, these are going to be a major problem. The sock liner is the same material as that white Oreo Air Jordan 4. That's very nice. And then you do have the white tumbled leather, so soft. The suede nubuck around the toe is very soft as well. These are just clean, man. Black, white, a little bit of gray. You can't go wrong with the colorway, the color blocking. The Air Jordan 4 is becoming the new Air Jordan 1. So I definitely think a lot of people are gonna go after these, wanna wear them, and it's gonna cause that resale value to go up a few months down the line. This is gonna be a really good hold in my opinion. This is just a very solid Air Jordan 4. Military Black Air Jordan 4, man, you really can't go wrong with this sneaker as far as wearability, for the resale, for anything. This is a clean Jordan 4. May 21st, retail, $200. Make sure you guys do not sleep on the Military Black Air Jordan 4s, because these, man, they're gonna be a problem. For the outsole, if you guys want to put drip grip sole protectors, you can do that. Drip grip will help the bottom remain fresh. You could peel it off and it'll make the bottom look brand new. Copy your drip grip sole protectors with the link down below in the description. Use my discount code Danny10 to receive 10% off your order. When Jordan Brand gives us good clean colorways like this in the Air Jordan 1 or Jordan 4, they're gonna do well, they're gonna be a problem, they're gonna sell out, they're gonna have resell. This Air Jordan 4 is gonna do very, very well on the market come release date. I'm excited for these. I know you guys are as well. That's why you're watching this video. So make sure you guys hit that thumbs up because I have them early. If you guys love early reviews, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. The Jordan 4 Military Black. Is it a cop? Is it a drop? Leave a comment down below. If these are a cop for you, make sure you put a bunch of fire emojis. If these are a straight pass, easy trash in your opinion, put a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who wants to cop the Military Black Air Jordan 4 and who does not. Free Mocha 1 giveaway. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, let me know your size in the Mocha 1s. I love you guys, I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind, we're never gonna stop, always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching.